It's a nachos kind of night. Fun fact, before I started making vegan desserts, I originally tested it out as a vegan meal prep business with just my family and friends, and my nachos meal was one of the faves. I don't use vegan cheese for my nachos because I find it refreshing to just do some things differently. I'm using jackfruit in this video, but I've also used chickpeas and it tasted just as good. We're also trying to stay away from canned products, so when I found this jackfruit in the fridge section at the store, I was excited to try it. The texture was different to work with, but it took on flavor pretty well. Speaking of flavor, I seasoned the jackfruit and veggie mixture with cumin, salt, and pepper. This meal is so easy to make. Honestly, the biggest task came from cooking the onions and bell peppers with the jackfruit. I added some blended lentils, but I didn't like the way those came out, so I made a fresh batch the next day and it turned out much better. Nachos are so diverse. Share in the comments if you prefer the classic way or if you don't mind changing it up a bit. Lastly, if you enjoy my videos, definitely like and subscribe. Share them with your family and friends so they can see how easy and awesome vegan cooking can be. Thanks for watching and be sure to come back for more tasty content.